Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So, you got your little Insta360 Go Ultra camera, and I've just picked up a few little accessories just to make your life that bit easier, and things that I've found work really well with it. So, let's bring you in for a close-up look and see what you think. So this is just a few nice to haves with it that help when you're trying to record your RC antics or anything else you're doing. But first off, nice sort of hard shell but soft interior case. It's got a good bit of space for either extras that you want to carry around for your camera, or maybe little parts for your RC. Get your charge cable in there, the pendant. I've got a few screen cleaning things, and then we've got this little bit that velcros down to stop everything flying all over. It keeps everything for the camera, so you got your selfie stick with your extra micro SDs, your clip, any sort of fastenings and things like that. There's space for everything. You just need to juggle it around a little bit and you can pretty much make everything fit with a bit of space left. I've got plenty of room for this. Then the swivel mount also fits. Selfie stick is really comfortable in there, and then the actual camera itself. Now for this I got a little pack where you get these little rubberized screen protectors for the lens, do like that, little cap protector, and the tempered glass screen protector for the rear, and it fits absolutely perfect. Depending on how you're going to use this, you could bash it around quite a lot, and it's nice to just have an added bit of protection on there. Now one thing I have got for this that is really important, and I also found it way cheaper, is a micro SD card, and I'll show you which one I've gone with. I've tried this on all the settings and it doesn't have any speed issues. It's not giving me any errors so far. And I've been trying it out with me cycling, so I've uploaded them to the cycling channel. But this is a SanDisk Extreme 256 A2 U3, and it is easily fast enough read writes for this camera to get full advantage out of. It's not thrown any errors, I've not had any lost clips or anything like that. But yeah, it does fit really well, and it works really well with this camera. If you're wondering what sort of things I've been trying with this, so I've tried recording at 4K 30, and with just the actual camera pod itself, you're looking at around 4K 30 is around 35 minutes record time just with the little tiny Ultra camera itself. The charge base will charge it up, or the action camera pod if you like, does manage to charge it up in between 14 to 18 minutes. You get a few seconds beep when it's going to shut down, so it's nice and loud. It does warn you that it's going to stop recording. The microphone on it, definitely worth checking out my cycling channel if you're wondering about using it outdoors, because riding along on a push bike 20-30 mile an hour, and this thing somehow manages to completely eradicate any wind noise, and you can still hear the road noise. When I've done a ride up a cycle path and it's on gravel, you can hear the gravel crunching under the tyres, you can hear me breathing, and yeah, really impressed with audio on it. Hopefully I'll get a chance to get some RC stuff recorded with it, but I did buy it as a multi-use thing, did buy it for RC channel. But also it's going to be uploading videos to my cycling channel as well. But yeah, very impressed with it so far. The screen protector and these come in a pack. I think they were around £7. I think this case was around the 27 to £30 ish. But yeah, really impressed with it. And the micro SD card was cheaper than the Insta360 ones, but higher spec. So I have used SanDisk a lot. I really trust them. Never lost any footage with a SanDisk Extreme SD card. But yeah, just a few things that you might be interested in getting if you want to be going using one of these cameras for your RC antics or anything else. But it's really nice, really easy to carry. We got this strap, this is detachable, and it's going to save it when you're chucking it in your boot of your car with your RCs. But thanks again. So that's just a few of the things that I thought might come in useful for the Insta360 Go Ultra. As always, I'll leave links in the description. But let's wrap this one up. There you have it, a carry case, tempered glass screen protector, little lens covers, and the microSD card, all for the Insta360 Go Ultra. But I think you'll agree, not bad for the money, and should serve its purpose well. But thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.